आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is the locus of a point of intersection of these lines, which is first one is y plus mx equals to under root of a square m square plus b square, and the next line we have is my minus x equals to under root of a square plus b square m square. We have to find the locus of the intersection of these two lines. Okay, so what I'll do first, I'll write solution here, and we know that it is given to in the question that y equals to what? First line is y plus mx is equals to under root of a square m square plus b square, right? So the next line we have is what? My minus x equals to under root of a square plus b square m square. So what I'll do, I'll multiply m to the both sides. So this will become what? This will become our my minus x, and here m under root of a square plus b square m square in the second equation of line we have here. So right, so this will become what? M square y minus mx is equals to, this will become what? This will remain as it is, m under root of a square b square, sorry, not b square, this would be plus b square m square. I'll just remove this b square from here, right? So now what I'll do, I'll have two equations, this one and this one, right? I'll just add these two equations. So on adding them, I'll get what? Okay, I'll write separately here. This will become m square y plus mx minus mx, right? Left hand side, and the right hand side will become what? This will remain a square m square plus, I'll add it again here because this will be more little complex for you to understand. Then this will become a square m square plus b square under root of plus m under root a square plus b square m square in this case, right? B square m square, right? Now I can clearly see that this one mx and mx cancelling out with each other, right? So if I take y common left hand side, this will become 1 plus m square, and here we have same terms again, under root of a square m square plus b square plus this will m under root of a square plus b square m square. Now what I'll do, I'll just pop up this left hand side and 1 plus m square from the right hand side to the right hand side. So our y will come out as under root of a square m square plus b square with a summation of m under root of a square plus b square m square, right? And in this time we have denominator as 1 plus m square here, right? So I have a value of this here as equation number 1. Let's take this. Now what I'll do, I'll just square both sides. So this will become what? Y square, and this will become what? This is become the formula of a plus b whole square, and if I expand this formula, this will become what? After expanding, a square m square plus b, right? Simple. This will become what? Plus m square, and here a square plus b square m square, right? And this will become 2ab, so means 2m. Let's take m out of the root, so this will become what? A square m square plus b square, and here we have what? A square plus b square m square, and the whole part is covered by under root. And here in the denominator what we have? 1 plus m square, but this time 1 plus m square whole square. So this will be 1 plus m square of whole square, right? So further solving this, I'll get the equation as, this will become, okay, this is a square m square, and if I multiply m square with this term, this will become m square square. So this will become twice of exactly a square m square, and this will be what? Here b square should be there. So this will become what? B square plus b square m to the power 4, right? This is b square m to the power 4, and this will remain what? As it is, 2m under root of a square m square plus b square, right? And this will be a square plus b square m square. Right now these terms are looking quite complex, but actually if we follow the step by step method, nothing is complex for us, right, to solve. So this will become 1 plus m square whole square in the denominator, so this is our y square. Now what I'll do, I'll save this equation for the further use, and let's name this as equation number A we have. Now what I'll do, I have to find the value of x first and then the value of x square. So just like we find the value of y square and y. So we know that from the equation number 1 we have my minus x equals to what? Under root of a square plus b square m square. Right. And what is the value of 1? From equation 1? From equation 1 we can see the value of y. Here y is what? This one. So what I'll do, I'll just substitute the value of here. First I'll little more simplify this one. This will be a minus of a square plus b square m square. This is our b, this is my b. So what is the value of y? Y, we just put the value of y from equation number 1. So if I substitute the value of y, this will become m. 1 plus m square will be denominator with the product of under root of a square m square plus b square, again with m under root of a square plus b square m square under root, right? And here what we are left with, under root of a square plus b square m square, right? If I take the LCM and multiply sides with m, this will come out as m under root of a square m square plus b square plus m square, this one a square plus b square m square, right? And taking LCM, this will become what? Okay, so this one will become, if I take the LCM here, this is 1 plus m square minus what here? This will become my m square under root of a square plus b square m square. If I take the denominator of whole, right? So taking the LCM, I'll receive this one. So now I can clearly see that, okay, so there is a missing term also. If I'm taking LCM, there should also one extra term. So I'll just write it down here. So this should look like something. This will be my under root of a square plus b square m square, because there is a 1 and then multiplication of m square in this one, minus of m square a square plus b square m square. This is lengthy calculation, so we need to be focused all the time, because we can skip some step, right? So now we can see that this one and this one clearly cancel out with each other. So we are having this one as, this one we are having now as m under root of a square m square, right, plus of b square whole square root here. And then this side we have what? Minus of a square plus b square m square divided by 1 plus m square. So again I have found the value of x. Now what I'll do? Same step, I'll just square both sides. So this will become x square and this will become, if I open the formula of this, a plus b whole square, this will comprise into what? M square, again a square m square plus b square, right? And this will come out as a square plus b square m square, right? Simple. And this will become minus 2m, and then the product of these two equations we have a square m square plus b square, a square m square plus b square, with the product of what? Again under root of a square plus b square m square, right? And here we have denominator, this time this will become what? 1 plus m square whole square, right? 1 plus m square whole square. So now again if I simplify this more further, I'll get it as a square m to the power 4 plus a square plus twice of b square m square minus 2m under root of a square m square plus b square, right? Taking root common, so this will become a square plus b square m square. Simple. Now we have denominator left also, 1 plus m square whole square. Now what I'll do, this equation my x square, right? This equation is, let's take this equation as equation number b. Now what I'll do, I have equation a, equation b. Now I just simply add these two equations. So adding a plus b, right? This will become what? X square plus y square. Now what we'll do, we just substitute the values of x square y square in the right hand side. This will become what? This will be a little longer expression, but this is simple for us to understand. X plus a square plus 2b square m square minus 2m under root of a square m square plus b square whole, and this will a square plus b square m square. And here we have a denominator of what? 1 plus m square whole square. Similarly, we have plus of what? Y square. So I'll write down y square here, plus of y square term, because there is no space left on the above line. So 2a square m square plus b square plus what? B square m to the power 4 plus twice m of under root of a square m square plus b square, right, this one only, with the product of also a square plus b square m square. This is also under root, and the whole having the LCM of 1 plus m square to the power square. Now we can see that both the terms are having same LCM here, 1 plus m square whole square, 1 plus m square whole square. So, and these are same terms, so they will cancel out with each other. So what we are left with? Now we are left with what? A square m to the power 4. Okay, I'll write it again. This will be a little. A square m to the power 4 plus a square twice of a square m square plus twice of b square m square plus b square m to the power 4. And if I open the denominator, this will become what? Let's not open it, remain same as it is for now. 1 plus m square whole square. Now this will become what? A square, taking common a square, m to the power 4 plus 2 m square plus 1. Again taking b square common, this will become what? M to the power 4 plus 2 m square plus 1 divided by what? 1 plus m square whole square. Now in the next line we will expand the denominator. So taking m to the power 4 plus 2 m square plus 1 common, we are left with what? A square plus b square. And if I open this formula, a plus b whole square, this will become what? M to the power 4 plus 2 m square plus 1, right? Clearly visible. So this term, exactly, and this term cancel out. We are left with what? So my x square plus y square will be equals to what? A square plus b square. So after a long time we'll get the equation, or we get the locus here, which comes out as x square plus y square equals to a square plus b square. Look, the question is little lengthy, but if we go over this step by step, every step is easy. So the correct option is option number 2. We have x square plus y square equals to a square plus b square.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।